Everyone, I hope everybody got the email regarding the registration of the first semester of 2024-2025 in the BITS Pilani WILP for the process engineering and electric engineering technology. So there are two ways for the fees payment. First of all, first one is payment through the credit card or no cost EMI and or credit debit net banking UPI wallet etc. And second option is through the Propelled EMI option. So I will just check out how we have to pay the fees for the Propelled EMI. So I will go on the second payment option, that is Propelled, and let's see what will happen. So this is the mail that I got, and here first one is the pay with option 1, and second one is pay with option 2. I will click on pay with option 2. Here I have to put my mail address and password. So I enter the password and mail ID, then there is showing my bits ID, mail ID, and student name, mobile number. So I have to choose the program, that is 1880 VTech Engineering Technology. Yes, that's right. And choose the fees type. Fees type is for session 24, the first semester registration fee. So I will click on here. Click here to make your fees payment. So it is showing registration fees payment. Here my mail ID and student name. Fees type 24th session first semester. Fees amount 63,500. It is showing excluding bits a membership fee and loan applicant name and mobile number. Pin code I have to enter here. So after entering the pin code, I will click here pay using Propelled. So wait, when I clicked on pay using Propelled, then this type of page opened, and here OTP is given to the mail ID. So I will enter the OTP. Let's wait. So now here I logged in, and by the submitting OTP, here it's showing Institute BITS Pilani WILP, course name BTech Engineering Technology semester fees is 1000 course fee 63,500, loan amount 63,500, loan tenure is it is showing 5 months as previous, and down payment to Institute 0, indicative EMI for 5 months, it will be 12,700, advance EMI of amount 0, rate of interest processing everything. So here I will proceed for the next. After proceeding, it is asking for are you earning. If you are earning, then click on yes I am, and if you don't, then no, I don't earn. So I have to enter my PAN, and after entering the PAN, I will further name will be entered automatically, and father's name, date of birth, gender male, gender, and salary self-employed. This type of information you have to enter. Here in my profession, and I have earning whatever you are earning, my corresponding address pin code, and I have a monthly income. You have to enter everything. I am currently paying monthly EMI. If you are not paying any, then type here 0, and reference details, blood relative, here your reference details, and then you will click on I agree to Propel terms and conditions. You have to read before submitting anything, and then after I authorize the consent form, consent to Propel. This you have to click, and after I declare I or immediate family do not have any political exposure. These all you have to click OK, and then click on the proceed. Here are the several steps. After this step, you have to check out the bank account details you have to fill, or there previously for the first semester you have ever filled. So some information will be previously captured. You don't have to fill again, and some you have to fill that. But then after the KYC details you have to fill, and document required you have to upload, and after that your will be okay. So I will fill my every parameter, so whatever they are asking informations. Then after I will check show you how it is going on. After clicking submitting my all details, I will further click to proceed, and it is showing an OTP sent to the registered mobile number. So I will fill the OTP. When I enter the OTP, then it is showing congratulations, you satisfy all minimum eligibility criteria for loan processing. Please complete your KYC and document verification process to complete the loan application. Now I will click on here OK, and then it is asking for bank account details, state, select the bank, IFSC code, account type, account holder name, account number, salary credited day. Then I will update, and if further it will ask for KYC details and document required. So just I will fill the all options, then I will show further. As I filled the all details of the bank account and clicked it, then it is again pop-up, and a notification pop-up is here. Congratulations, you satisfy all minimum eligibility criteria for loan processing. Please complete your KYC and document verification process to complete the loan application. I will click here on OK, and then I have to now update my KYC. Now as I click to proceed for KYC, then it is a notification is here. I provide consent to do Fund Private Limited to download my KYC DB documents and share them to Blue Beer Technology Private Limited and its lending partners. So it will be online KYC. I have to click on here and proceed. Click on proceed. So here it is asking for my Aadhaar number and I have to fill the captcha. Then I have to proceed for the next. So let's wait. Now it is asking for that you are already registered with DigiLocker. So it is asking your DigiLocker PIN 6 digit. So I will fill the 6 digit DigiLocker PIN. Then further I will proceed. Now here DigiLocker is asking to your consent. Please provide your consent to share the following with Hyperverse. This is the consent KYC company, third party. So here it is selected as green Aadhaar card and primary verification. You have to give your consent for the share. If you click on deny, then it will deny, and if you allow, then it will allow. So here I will just click on allow. Then let's take. Now it's giving the pop-up. Thank you, your DigiLocker KYC verification is done. It was showing as it is successful. It is showing as document upload not required since you have already done eKYC. We don't need to you to upload the document. Then here your details will be given and you have to verify same. Then I will click on the verify to verify my details. So here everything is updated. Now it is asking for PAN card to be uploaded. So I will click on upload the PAN card, front image only. Just wait here. Now it is showing that congratulations, you have completed your loan application. We are processing it and will get back to you soon. It means your application has been completed for the fees payment, and then the fees will be deducted to the institute, Orbit Filani, and from your bank account, EMI will be cut down after the due date. Then you have to click on ongoing application, and here it will show whatever the information here and the status of application. Here my application is approved and credit approval is done, and now loan documentation is pending. Then after disbursement will be. Then here if you click on complete loan documentation, it is showing that loan documentation, loan agreement is here to sign. E-mandate proceed, processing fees 2,700. You have to click here. You have to pay the fees, and then video KYC. You have to complete the video KYC. So I will proceed for the same. Now after the successfully filling the application and mandating the ENACH, then it is showing that it thanks ENACH process completed. There is no transaction ID. So you have to note down it and then go back to application. So just wait, and I will click on go back to application. Then here it is showing that loan agreement signed successfully, e-mandate succeeded by bank. Now I have to pay the fees. That is showing 2,207 rupees. I have to pay. Then I will pay this fees, and here several options are here: UPI or QR, card, net banking, wallet. So from wherever I have to pay, I want to pay, I will pay. After the fees payment, it's then now you have to complete the video KYC. I will click on video KYC. So for video KYC, this type of self video KYC will be section will be open, and here it is saying that please follow the instruction and speak the OTP so that it's clearly audible in front of the camera while recording. So you have to speak this OTP and face to be clearly visible on the screen. Right now it is my video KYC has been completed. Now it is showing the notification is coming that go back to application. So I will click on, and then after the all steps you have done, then this is asking for sign agreement here. So I will click on sign agreement here, and then I will show you. Just wait a moment. So now this type of page is open, and this is for the agreement. These all you have to read before signing in. This is of 16 pages, and then we come further, and this is saying that verify yourself before providing consent, instant OTP. So I will click on it. After entering the OTP, now click on it. I have read everything. Then click on I agree. Then it is saying that we respect your consent. Go back to application. So right now This is showing that congratulations, you have completed your loan application processing and it will get back to you soon. Then I think the whole application process has been completed right now, and then they will further mail and message that your fees has been disbursed to the Bits Pilani. Okay, thank you. And next step for the registration in the for the ERP portal, I will make another video and just to upload. Okay, thank you.